Just to give you guys an indication of my latest and greatest setup, I'll talk a little bit about the different components in a second or two.
But first, I want to congratulate my fellow South Africans on an excellent job well done. Patriot Outdoors, you beauts, opened up a 40-meter indoor range for us with 10 bench rests available, places to fill your bottle, the whole toot, and lekker coffee on top. I hope you guys have an awesome time there and all of the best with the new venture. Back to my video.
I still have the Donny FL on front because that's what I did the initial experiments on, and I'll only switch that when I change that. You'll see that my FX Crony is now underneath the barrel on a tin. It's not fixed to the barrel, so it doesn't affect the harmonics at all. And underneath the gun I've got a nice extension rail on there for my bipod to make it a little bit more sturdy in that regard. I've also replaced the standard FX air gauges with UMA air gauges, as both my air gauges were giving me incorrect readings. So I replaced this one as well as the regulator in the back. Power Plenum on, bag rider on, decent scope on. I think today shooting is going to be on. Yay!
Brand spanking new on the market, the new Javelins. I've been waiting for these babies for some time. I wanted to test them, but the guys just did not want to give me a test batch. So yesterday I was privileged enough to go and pick up some, and today I'm going to test them. First up, the 23 grainers.
First up, Javelin 23 grainers in 217, power setting 1 to max. I'm just going to hit 1 or 2 shooters just for the regulator to settle down a bit. Let's go. Owie.
On the initial speed settings, I wasn't very impressed, but I know these slugs loves speed. So the moment I cranked it up a little bit, and when I say crank it up, I really mean crank it up anywhere above 950 feet per second, these slugs start to shine in that grouping. Slight spread at 1036, but again, this is only at 30 meters. Let's see what the 218s do.
Right, it just started raining. You can probably hear it on the roof. I'm going to carry on. Camera in the front under a plastic bag. My target's going to get soaking wet, but I want to do this. Alright, so these are the 218s. Raining so hard, I can almost not see the target in front, so I did a bit of rapid shooting. Let me go and get those targets out of the rain, see if I can still save them.
Wow, this is better on the ears. Not that noise. I thought I was going mad shooting in the rain, but what a lot of fun I had. Quite interesting to note that the 218s grouped a lot better than the 217s. The speed was slightly down, so it might be that little bit of harmonics that played a role. I'll put up the graph between the speeds and then I'll do my final conclusion. Interesting to note, there's not much in the speed, about 7 to 10 feet per second on certain settings, but the gun did like the 218s a little bit better at a slightly slower speed. Can't wait to test the 26 grainers and the 30 grainers. See you guys soon.